pleasure to have you with us in The Price is Right one. Now, I do believe the next item up for biz is right here.
Comfortable warm-up suits. From Bonnie Sportswear, men's and ladies warm-up suits made of durable fabric, suitable for the serious athlete as well as the weekend spectator. Available in an assortment of colors from Bonnie Sportswear.
Juan, I want you to just plain bid on all that.
Okay. $325.
$325. Jack, it's your turn.
$419.
$419, and I want to hear from Judy.
$425.
$425. Dorothy.
$375.
$375. Actual retail price, $450. Winner, Judy. Judy, I have a game for you to play right back here. Come right back here beside me, Judy. Now open those doors and show her what we have. Safe crackers. That's what we have. There are 2 prizes in that safe. Diane, swing that door back and show Judy the 2 prizes she can win.
First, a recliner spa. The Poly Recliner Acrylic Spa by Polynesian, completely portable. For indoors or out, just fill and plug in all equipment ready. The Poly Recliner by Polynesian Spa. And a new stereo system. Hitachi's cassette match music system, FM/AM stereo receiver with 7.5 watts per channel, belt drive turntable with magnetic cartridge, 2-way speaker system from Hitachi. Is a prize package worth $2,415.
Lock that safe, Diane. Now the combination of that safe is the same as the price of that stereo system. Let's step over and see what the numbers are in the price of the stereo system, and then I'm going to give you a chance to crack that safe. There's a 0, a 2, and a 4. Now you set this dial on the first number in the price of the stereo system, this on the second, and this on the third. You'll have the combination of the safe. Get busy. And if that safe opens, you get both those prizes. 400, use each number only once. 401. Use each number only once. You're using the 4 twice. Use each number only once. But you can't win if you use both the 4. Use each one only once. Sure, change anything you want to. 420, okay, turn that wheel. Now, pull on that handle right there, and you are a winner. You are a winner. You get both of those prizes. You crack that safe. Congratulations, Judy. There's more Price is Right coming up.
Stay tuned for more pricing games and the fabulous showcases coming up on the second half of The Price is Right.